Hi there, everyone. Welcome back to Mindful Mind Hacking, where we kick self-doubt to the curb and transform our dreams into reality. I'm Will, your Mindful Mind Hacking guide, and I'm thrilled you're here today because we're diving into something super exciting, mastering self-awareness. Now, let's be real. Sometimes life feels like a roller coaster designed by someone who loves surprises. One moment you're flying high, and the next, whoosh, you're upside down, wondering how you ended up here. But what if I told you that mastering self-awareness is like finding a secret off-ramp that leads you to the path you actually want to be on? Sound good? Well, let's get started. So what is self-awareness anyway? It's all about recognizing and understanding your own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Think of yourself as a detective in your own life story. This self-awareness lets you pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses, and it's like wearing a pair of special glasses that help you see how your actions affect others. Imagine being able to navigate your relationships with ease, deeper connections, less misunderstandings. How cool is that? Now, let's talk about the joy of self-awareness. It's like having a personal compass guiding you through life's twists and turns. It's that wise friend who always knows just what to say, except this friend lives inside you. With self-awareness, you're not just drifting aimlessly, you're cruising through life with purpose. You can hit the reset button on those automatic reactions and habits that don't serve you anymore. It's like conducting the symphony of your life instead of being a robot on autopilot. But why should you really care about self-awareness? Well, for starters, it's like having a GPS for your emotions. This little gem helps with emotional regulation and keeps your mental health in check. Just look at Lady Gaga, for example. She credits her self-awareness for tackling her mental health challenges like a pro. If it can work for the Queen of Pop, imagine what it can do for you. Now, let's address some roadblocks on this journey to self-awareness. First up, cognitive biases. These sneaky little gremlins can lead us to make some pretty irrational judgments. Ever heard of confirmation bias? It's when you actually only seek out information that agrees with you already believe while you're ignoring everything else. It's like wearing rose-colored glasses in a funhouse maze. Then there's the fear of vulnerability. So let's be honest, acknowledging our flaws is tough. It can feel like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops. That's not a good look, by the way. But embracing vulnerability is key to discovering your true self. And oh boy, societal distractions are everywhere. Social media notifications dinging like hyperactive doorbells can make it hard to focus on what really matters inside you. It can feel like trying to find a Waldo in a crowded beach party while juggling beach balls. Finding time for self-reflection, that can feel like hunting for Bigfoot. Between work and family commitments, we often end up prioritizing everything but ourselves. But let me tell you, carving out just a few minutes a day for introspection can work wonders. So how do we tackle these roadblocks? Mindfulness techniques are your best friends here. Deep breathing is just a great place to start. Just take a moment to breathe in deeply and let it out slowly. Instant calm. And let's not forget about neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP, a toolbox for your mind. Visualization helps you picture your ideal self, while reframing allows you to turn challenges into growth opportunities. If Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson can do it, so can you. So there you have it, folks. Mastering self-awareness is a powerful tool for leading a purposeful and fulfilling life. Remember, this journey takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself. Start today. Steer your life toward that future that makes you want to do a happy dance. Again, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Remember, you can master self-awareness and embrace the life you deserve. Until the next time, this is Will Deek wishing you only success.